If you like watching my videos, do subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button. Click the tiny little bell icon next to subscribe so that you don't miss on any of my future videos. If you like any of my videos, do share with your friends and family. Hello my angels, this is Shweta and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a haul video. Yes, a haul video. Actually, I have been waiting very long to do this video. Many of my products, many of my parcels has been arrived long back, but I have not opened it. Okay, I will admit I have opened few of them because I can't resist myself. There are so many products which I really wanted to buy, wanted to swatch, really wanted to use it. So few of them I have to open it. I'm sorry, but many of them I have not. Mixed brand haul. Yes, there is ColourPop, BH Cosmetics. I know you will say BH Cosmetics. How many times she always say BH Cosmetics? Yes, I do use a lot of BH Cosmetics product because I really believe that their products are really nice. It's a cost effective and high quality. Yes, first let's open the box which is from ColourPop. Okay, this is from ColourPop. I have ordered few of their obviously the famous matte liquid lipsticks, and there are a few of their satin lips. Start with the lip products. First, I have ordered this collection from ColourPop. It says the Good Times, and I have Times Square, Solo, Bad Habit, Creeper, and Avenue. Obviously I have used this lipsticks box. There are 5 shades in each box. So this is the first one, and I have used this one too. This is the color Times Square. Pink, this is a beautiful bright pink color lipstick, and this is in shade Bad Habit, and I really like this. I have used this shade a lot of time. I will just swatch for you because I really like this color. Actually, I'm a person of dark lips because I like the colors which are bright and high. See the color, oh, and see the consistency, guys. See the consistency. How beautiful this shade is. Very quickly, okay, it will take few seconds to dry, but once it dries, it really feels very nice. It's not at all sticky. I have used ColourPop lipstick today also. Yes, so you can see the lips. It doesn't feel dry. These are matte lipstick, but it doesn't dry your lips at all. It actually feels very lightweight. You don't feel like there is anything on your lips. See, it's non-sticky. I always used to think that, light colors, I used to see there's so many beautiful YouTubers having, nude lipstick. Color used to look so nice on them. I always thought, can I use a nude lipstick anytime? And the nude colors which I have used from other brands, I really didn't like it. From the collection, The Good Times, this is the third color, Solo. The color name is Solo, but trust me friends, when you put this, you feel high. Yes. See the color. It's kind of a nice peachy, slight pink kind of a color. I really like this color. It really gives a nice. This is Creeper. It's a beautiful red color, and which you can use with a gloss. If used, it will give you more shine. I usually use it as a matte because red anyways is too bright on your lips when you put. So I never use gloss on this shade because I don't want to make my lips too bright. Anyways, this shade is too bright and it looks beautiful. I have been wearing this color and I have got a lot of compliments from my friends. This is the 5th color, Avenue. This is the dark maroon kind of a color. A hint of brown also, I think so. But it's a very nice color. Again, it's a dark color, but it really looks good. I think in winters, I'm going to use this color a lot. It will look too good in winters. So this was the collection, The Good Times. My second mini ultra collection is the satin lips. The name is On a Whim, and it has all of brown kind of a shade. Colors are Magic Wand, Mess Around, Stud, Tulips, and Dope. I have used today Dope on my lips. You're listening ColourPop, I love you, and thanks for making such wonderful shades, such wonderful lipsticks, such a wonderful eyeshadows, guys. Your eyeshadows are mesmerizing. Oh, okay, if I start talking, I can't stop on it. So let's get back. Okay, so on a whim, the first shade I'm showing you is Stud. This is a very nice color, brown side, and I really like this color because it's not too brownish, but it is very nice, subtle kind of a brown, which also looks very good on your lips. Color is Dope. Okay, Dope is one of my favorite one in this collection because I have used it several times and I really like it. And this is the shade Dope. And the third color is Tulips. I have not used this color yet. I am yet to use this because it's too dark, and I don't know when I am going to use this shade because it's a very nice color. Okay, and I feel I will use it in winters because winters is the best time to put your dark lips and just go around and just flaunt. So the fourth color is Miss Around. Again, this color also I have not used. It's a nice color, and it's a wearable color. Yes, you know what, friends, all these colors are wearable. You can never, when I was buying this thing, I actually thought, Shweta, what, one or two color are surely gonna be in my drawer forever, because I'm not going to use that. Because when I saw the swatches on their website, I thought, you know what, out of 5, these 3 colors are amazing and I like it, but these 2 colors, no, I don't think so I'm gonna wear it. But it's okay because that 3 colors are more important for me than that 2 colors. So I just ordered this collection. But once I have received this, and I'm actually seeing all these colors are beautiful, and there is none the color you can say that I can't use it. A person like me who always be on a safe side as far as the lip color is concerned, I actually go more on pink, red, this kind of, any shade in pink, any shade in red, maroon, not even brown. I have not even gone with brown shade, and now I'm trying all of the shades because of ColourPop, because there are 2 wearable, very nice on your lips, and you just have to blend that lip color with your lip pencil and it really goes very well with it. So last color on a whim collection is Magic Wand. And this is actually a magic wand. I have used many times this color. Whenever I use a dark color, I just dab this magic wand shade in between, and it really gives me a very nice color. The third set from ColourPop is Hot to Trot Lip to Go collection, and the colors are Cookie, Cami, LBB, Trust Me, and Chitao. I don't know how am I pronouncing it right or not, but it's something like CHATEAU. So whatever it is, it's okay. If actually on back they have given the lip pencil which will go with the individual shade. So this is really nice because a lot of time when we buy a lipstick, we don't know which lip pencil will actually suit to that color. So this is a very nice thing which you have thought, ColourPop. Thank you for this. This is the shade Bossy. I like the way this Lippy Trot is. I have a lipstick on this side, and it works as a lipstick as well as a lip liner. I have used this shade and I have not used my lip pencil with this because this was more than enough to line my lips, and it was very beautifully lined. So I like this shade, and on the other side you have this pencil too. Red shade. I like this color. This is the another color LBB with the lip pencil LBB. This color is a very nice, you can see this is a magenta kind of a color because it has a hint of pink, purple in it. So it's kind of I'm a fan of such kind of a color. So this is the color which I think I'm gonna use a lot. If you want to see these lip swatches on my lips, so please let me know. I will be too happy to use this. And this is the color Dukes. It's a very nice brown shade. I really like this color. But color is Bound with Cami. So this is the shade. This is a kind of a pinkish mauve color. This is nice. It's nice. I think it will go good. I have this kind of a shade in I think in BH Cosmetics lipstick. I have this kind of a shade, not exactly like this, but this one is the too light, but I think it's good. It's Skimpy Cookie. So the last color is Skimpy Cookie. Take this color with some nice little darker than this color lip pencil. It will look good, but I don't know how it's gonna look on me because I have never tried such a light color. So let's see. If I try this color ever, I will surely show you. ColourPop has break my notions about I can't use nude lips. So I think I have to try this color too. And can you avoid ColourPop without buying their eyeshadows? Friends, this is the ColourPop eyeshadow. You can see the shade like this. This is the packaging. Little cute stars, little cute silver stars you have. Pressed powder shadows, and this is in the color Secret. I can use it either on my lids or in my crease. So this is a beautiful color. It's in shade Secret. This is the second pressed powder eyeshadow in shade Hear Me Out. This is a very nice color. So this is the one color which I really wanted to try on my brow bone, so I have ordered this one. When I was ordering this particular things from ColourPop, they were running with a offer. I don't remember what offer it was, but it was something like, you know, if you are ordering something, you are getting 2 lipsticks free or something like this. So I have ordered many of them, so I have got this 4 lip colors free on it. Yes, my friends, I have got this 4 shades free on this, and I'm so happy that I have got ColourPop's extra 4 shades except my collection free. But yes, there is this one color same in this, and that is shade Dopey, which I already have. This is this shade Dopey, which I have just showed you. I have this color and I have got one more, so I am happy that I have 2 shades because I like this shade a lot. And there are many of these colors which I am planning to buy in a large size. So except Dopey, the one which I got free is the Prim. This is the shade Prim. This is a very nice dark maroon kind of a color. And this is the shade Frick and Frack. It is in Strip. This is a very light color. As I actually, this is the 2 colors which I personally brought from the shop called The Feast Shop. You all might be knowing about this. This is a Korean brand and it's very good. I just randomly visited with my friends in this shop and I was just looking around. I think this WH01 means white. Maybe I'm guessing it's in white one, and this is like brown one, and this is a glitter eyeshadows. And like this, as you can say, this is the unopened package. I have not used it. See the packaging. I will just open in front of you. As I've told you, see, whenever I am showing you something, there should be something called as packaging factor. I just love beautiful things packed beautifully. So this is a not a much hype, but a nice box kind of a packaging, which you can just open. You open like this. Can you see the color? See how beautiful it is. How gorgeous it is looking. See. I've used this once and I've liked this shade a lot. This is the shade in BR01 brown. So this is also very nice. I will just swatch for you. It's a very nice brown kind of a color which will look very nice. I love this kind of a color. It's a very nice warm shade, and I am a fan of warm colors. I love brown colors. I don't like brown color on my lips, but I like brown colors on my eye. A huge giant box of ColourPop which I really love. How much truly I wish to do this haul video that I have not opened such a giant box of ColourPop which you really love. You imagine a girl bringing a new clothes or a new makeup and not using it. Oh, it's very hard. It's very hard, guys. It's very hard. So not taking more attention on my dedication and all, let's open this box because I'm too excited to open this box, and I know even you all will be too excited to know what it is there. So let's open. So ta-da! Okay, you can't see that way. You can't see. Okay, let's do the other way. So let's open the giant box of ColourPop. So, ColourPop, 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 ColourPop. I love ColourPop. Okay, so the romance is done, and let's get to the work. This is the first press powder shadow which I have got in my collection now. Named is Outer Luck. I'm not gonna open each and every packet of this eyeshadow because I have a huge collection to show you guys. The second color is, wait for it, the second. Friends, if you really want to see the swatches or you want to see the first impression of this, please do let me know in your comments. The third color I have got is Soft Ochre. And the other shade which I have got is Flower Boy. It's a very nice and it's so pigmented. Can you see these shades? And this is the shade Silver Lining. This is a bit different shade than the other colors, but I really like this shade, so I wanted to have in my collection. The next thing is the cream gel liner. I have ordered this cream gel liner in the shade Best O. I really like this shade. I really wanted to use this shade for my lower lash line. And I really want to create an eye look using this particular gel liner. So I have ordered this one. So let's hope to make it next time. ColourPop has recently come up with their crystal liquid highlighters, and I was actually saw this in my mailbox. I was really surprised that ColourPop has come with a crystal liquid highlighters. I really love the liquid highlighters, but I don't own any of the liquid highlighters. I always thought of having it, but somehow I don't know why, but it didn't came in my collection. Maybe I was waiting for ColourPop to launch it. So now I have this liquid highlighter in my collection, and that is from ColourPop. So this is in the shade Aventurine. It's a 25 ml bottle, and it says directions of use. For a crystal infused glow, use 1 to 2 pumps and apply onto the face using your fingers or a brush. Mix me with your foundation or moisturizer for an all over radiant glow. Okay, so this is a great thing because a pump. You know what? I really like the products which has a pump in it, like foundations, this liquid highlighters. Whoa, beautiful. Beautiful, friends. It's beautiful. See the glow? And it's very beautiful. It's gonna look very nice on your skin. So this is the best of Super Shock eyeshadows from ColourPop. Yes, my friends, ColourPop is famous for their Super Shock eyeshadows, and they are very nice. Their consistency, their formula is too nice. It's too beautiful. I have heard about it a lot of time. I have seen it. Mile High Best of Super Shock Shadow Collection in shade Truth, Millionaire, Soakwitch, Lala, Cricket, and Mittens. It opens like this. It has a box like this, and it has a side this hard case, and it won't fall down also. It is not falling down. It's very nice. There are beautiful colors inside this. I would really like to swatch this for you, but maybe next time. If you really want me to do this, then please let me know. I love this packaging. I love the Super Shock eyeshadows. I love the colors. I love everything which they have in this. Thanks a lot, ColourPop, for making these eyeshadows, for making them available, and for sending them so quick. And this package just arrived within, I think, 2 weeks to me. So this box was full of these things. Okay, again, when I ordered, ColourPop was going with this offer giving a one free palette with 4 pressed powders. So I have shown you 5 pressed powders because I wanted to have this. I was not knowing that, you know, if I buy a 4 pressed powder, I'm going to get this palette free, because any which ways I like the shades and I just added them in my cart. And once I added, I came to know, you know, on the top they have mentioned that okay, I'm getting one ColourPop palette, empty palette free, and I was too happy on that ColourPop empty palette. And again, it's a very nice hard case, and it's, you know, when I was small we used to buy this pencil case for our pencils and everything when I was in a high school, and it actually used to open like this. I remember, you know, when I'm opening it like this, I just remember that thing. So this is the palette, a very nice cute you know, palette. It will just have 4 colors in it, which is not so good thing for me, because I would like to have a big huge empty palette and just put all my pressed powders together so that I don't miss around anything, or you know, because I have a tendency, if I'm not seeing something, I forget about it. So I really want to have all my eyeshadows in a one palette, and I'm looking forward to order their one large palette from ColourPop or Morphe, either of the one, because they have a very nice empty palette collection also. But I like this, and thanks, as it is free, obviously I'm thankful to them to send this to me. I like this, so thank you. So this is the ColourPop huge box collection. Now let's go to another box. This is one of my favorite brand, as till now all of you might be knowing, that is BH Cosmetic. So this is my BH Cosmetic box. I have ordered many things from them which I was looking to buy, but I was somehow just delaying it, because you know, it always happens that you are thinking of buying something and then you just go through some other thing and you like it, so you end up buying that new thing, and they just again put this old wish in your wish list. So this is the wish list which finally got added to my card and came to my home. So this is the first thing, that is my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro cream contour palette. I already have their powder contour palette, but I was really looking forward to have this cream contour palette, which really helps, because you don't get bind with any particular shade. You have many multiple colors to use whenever you feel like having it. You really have a tendency of mixing 2 shades together. So these are the shades. I know it's a bit water kind of a thing is going on, but it's okay. It's a moisture which they have, so it will just go away with the time. Their Metal Rose 11-piece brush set with cosmetic bag. Yes, they do have this cosmetic bag inside, and I have opened it because I am already using of the brushes in my everyday makeup. This is the buffing brush from this Metal Rose palette, and it is one of my favorite. I have shown this brush in my first video also. I really like this brushes. It has a nice dense, are very soft also on the skin, so I really like these brushes. This one is my favorite. I have not tried the other ones, but of course I know, as BH Cosmetics has never ever disappointed me, it won't. So let's have a look. This comes with a very nice metal rose, kind of a champagne color of a bag. It has this rose gold kind of a zip also. They have these brushes inside this bag like this. All the brushes are in this metal rose thing. I really like this metal rose handle. So this is the Metal Rose 11-piece brush set from BH Cosmetics. And the other brush which I have ordered from there is their vegan brush. BH Cosmetics have a vegan collection of brushes, which is really very nice. If you want to really buy a vegan brush, so you can go on this website. I have brought one of the vegan brush, that is brush V2, that is vegan 2. I like this brush. I was really looking to buy a nice pointed fluffy brush to bronze my face, and I am happy buying this. It's a very nice, huge, fluffy, dense pointed brush. It's very nice. It's to bronze your face, to contour also. It can be also used for blush. So this is my V2 brush, and very happy with this brush. Other thing is the Smooth Canvas Longwear Shadow Primer in shade Bisque. and this is closely compared to MAC paint pot. It is a very nice shade, and I really wanted to have. I don't have MAC paint pot, but as I have seen the reviews that so many people comparing this with MAC, so I have to. There is a lot of product inside. There is lot shade black. Oh, this is a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Matte Finish Pressed Powder. It's a compact powder basically. It's in shade 235, and one I have in 230, which I am already using, and I have been showing you in many of my videos. So this is in shade 230 and this is in shade 235. Okay friends, I just had a big tragedy now because my camera got completely dead, and I was not able to shoot, so I just kept my camera on charge, and then I got into something else.